Industrial classic control circuits are widely used in industrial world. With classic control circuits, we can control as many loads like motors as we need and deal with different sensors, switches and more. In this course, we will learn how to design and create control circuits. Also, we will learn how to use a software to simulate any circuit. We will start with understanding what is power source and how to differentiate between power circuits and control circuits. Then we will hit the most important elements that will help us designing our circuits. Circuit breakers and fuses, contactors, overloads, relays and timers, sensors, push buttons and switches, and more. Then we will start designing circuits to control motors like direct online circuit, then start delta circuit, then reverse motor direction. After that, we will create more advanced circuits like controlling more than one motor with start delta connection and reversing motor direction at the same time. Also, any circuit that you will ask about, we will start creating it. So stay tuned and consider subscribing to Electrical Engineering Planet channel to support our community. Also, don't forget to share, like, and let knowledge enlighten your world. Thanks for watching.